So we are here. Si Bayan.
Bayan.
Look, my baby. Baby, that's good, Neil. Wow. We have our camera, but this one is good. See, the Amisa bye-bye tigaw.
Punpun apila.
Igo pambut og among driver number 1
Punpun.
and other driver.
Punpun.
Pambut driver. See? Kisa na siya?
Pagmangkan ka.
Ayun pagmangkan.
Wait, alis na po.
Mao?
Nasabay.
Yaw, sige. Banta dong, wait ka isa dong. Sabay makuha dong.
Kuan ka.
Say the two driver. Asa man sila agi?
Paano na? Apiton rito.
Apiton ra. Ah, okay. Sa man pa continue ra? Straight now, straight. Go to straight. Look. Baby, I have an umbrella over here. What's your name? Marjun. Marjun?
Marjun.
Wow, nice name, ha?
Boy! Punta sa...
Ayong na tayo. My God, may tayo. Hello, people. Say hi to my vlog. Look. So today, our first
Excursion.
excursion is we're going to what? Going to Pachico Beach, the island of Tigao. Look, surround us. Look the mountain. See the mountain?
Grabe.
One of that mountain is
Kasi mo ba nila?
our
Karkana.
coconut field. Yan. Yan. Nanawa na. Kama nang. Galisun makaka. Look.
Okay. Kala yung tuwa na sa ganyan.
Wait, kasi kasi mapunog tuhod. Ino mo tabi. Ay, Paula. Very good, Paula. You are here. Good. Perfect.
Pa to.
Pwede single.
She's still single.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Look. Andar na ang pambot ni. Mapatpaday mong payon ni. We are going now and the pambot is starting. The machine is on. Look guys. See that? Oh, the engine. I mean the engine.
Atras ka rin kamay sa atras.
Careful over there. Woo! Woo!
Oh, my wife act like she's on a roller coaster. All right. Way going on.
This is the area which Namati located. See the houses over there, that's the floating cottages. Wow, that's Namati. Nakagwapa di ay oh. See the racing place over here and over there you see it's fishing spot. Look at look the water. See that water? Wow! May starfish! I see star! Some of the starfish! Baby, all of the starfish! Wow! Yeah, green. Here! Oops! They are here.
Plato ko na plato, kaya para picturan.
Wow. What type of fish is that? Wow. Oh my God. Look that fish. Wow. Look that fish. Wow, kugita. Yes, na kugita. You got a fish.
Okay.
See? See that fish?
Now what kind is that?
I forgot that name, but
Okay.
that's very nice fish. Yeah. They said if you like to see.
That's your octopus.
Yeah. May see the octopus? Show me the octopus. Ah, kuya wa magkakalo ben lamin kagkalo. And here they are. They are preparing a food for our fish, kinilaw. Kinilaw, and here's the young ones. Look, Paula and Ayang, the beautiful. Ayang, drink more water.
Wow.
Wow. Asa sila nagsuba? Kadto na ba ay? Oh, okay.
Cutting it up.
Ha?
Tagabantay?
Sa motor kayo na to na, hindi ka bansay dre.
Namapit raman. Kadali raman siguro kay mo taob naman, di ba?
Kasi mo katali sa ko.
Look! Woo! And here, that one to also? Wow! Look that fish. Yan, correct? Wow, that's a lot of fish. Wala, grabe! Smells really good! Wow, look at this. Look at that fish. That's the octopus. Yeah. Now don't touch it because it's allergy. She's allergy of seafoods. Look. Look at that fish.
Is that ain't the milkfish though? Is it?
No. They're class A fish.
Class A
A.
fish.
Class A. That one.
Oh,
They're expensive.
what?
Class A. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Good.
Oh, this is the one that I like for kinilaw. Yeah,
Kinilaw.
see?
Kenny
Nah,
Lau,
he
yeah.
don't eat kinilaw.
She had some of that the other day when he cut it up in vinegar.
You see?
Oh, yes, taxi.
Nagkuha na ka. Okay, kasi nagluto dito. Sa,
Sinong kuan?
look.
Mga daga.
See? So, no, see mo, isa naipit na oh. Manang! Man, she need help, baby. He can get up anymore.
Asa daw?
No.
No.
Need to help yourself. No, she can carry you. Nang sali mo pagsaka? Nes, na.
She's so
Alam mo
fat.
na ko na dito.
Okay.
Diyan na kanyang langi-langi. Okay.
Dali, dali.
Allergic.
No, he's allergy.
Allergy of seafood, shrimp, crabs, and this one. Fish, you don't eat. You don't eat fish.
Sabi dyan.
Chicken. No.
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken, hot dogs, and pork chop.
Chris, you try it this because it's delicious.
Yeah, but they smell.
Not raw.
No, we grill it. Yeah. Grill.
I try a little piece.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you this.
Yeah.
Yeah, here, look. Come on, Pawpaws. This is my squid. Oh, no, octopus. Woo! Oh, fish, baby. You see the fish?
Oh, they gonna come and eat.
Yes, they're coming.
You can sit over here.
He loves to swim.
Bahon, ha? Plato.
Tan si Manang Galakaw.
Yeah, allergy.
Hoy, smile kayo sa aking vlog.
Pwede na mabasa?
Dene.
Nabila?
Ganda ka pera?
Ha?
Tadi mo, iyo mo berang mo.
Hi guys! Lah, jadi ya?
Imuni ka ning. Sama sa yung picture.
Ba may pictures basin?
Itutok sa nawong. Nasamad ko. Lukat ko. Hey guys. Let me get this.
Ang wala na halok limon itong sa iya. Ay, kutsilyo ni mo ubandat, be.
Yeah, look the fish, baby.
I see them
Dam?
for today.
Yeah, look the fish. Fish inside, look. They're eating. Kasi pa na lang niyo.
Just charging.
Yeah. It's a lot of fish. Wow. She's good. Bayan. Bayan. Bawal sa siya kay gikapoy. Look. Dili kay gikapoy gid na. Nalipong, karon dili na. Nalipong na siya kay na gidagat. Look that fish. Fish eat rice.
Butang na luto. Saan butang luto? Ano luto?
Dia gani. Look the fish feeding.
Butangan.
Feeding. Feeding fish. Hold his name. Video ako name. Yeah, look. Yeah. It's feeding. Fish eat rice. Sira? Wow, ako apil na apil pa. Apil ka. Ana. Dili ko maklaro. Na fish, give me more rice. Rice. Ulit to kay
Samo taturo kay. Sumo ba yan?
panilos ni mo. Tagay kong kanon be. Tagay kong kanon. Yang kanon.
Dili ka mo lakaw kung silo.
Lai, oh. Yang. Give me more rice.
Di mo mamutang trabaho dito, di mga kukos. Mga na labahin.
May dili siloso.
Kumuha mo mga tigaw, aray na mo doon dere.
Parang fruits.
Tag-uber kay automatic na yung bayad mo.
Yeah.
Isuon mo.
Dagana gyud butang. Dagana man na. Ibalik ibang ay.
Katong pagkatunog mo pagi na pa hindi ka.
Wow.
Dugay na ba nawa?
Ito feed.
Ano sa wa ko magpa-indikator.
Woo! Nanabog.
Bisag wala ka ng patay, patay na
There's a big one.
Ito.
Ano to? Ano ka
Wala mga group
panas na.
Kapil ko. Apilir ka.
Wala may mga group ang kilid.
Mo delikado nape ko mo bilin lang.
Ngagay gatog na pa.
Tutong sunog,
Okay ra.
Morto ka bayan no, kabayan sa nang
Wala kwarto na.
Cute.
Kapaon.
Here, maglatay me. Just hold, baby. Hold, guys. Here. Woo! Kalawang. Kalawang. Yan, mag-feeding me milk fish. Look. Scared of the sun. They're covering their face and heat. Chilling, walang chilling. No, look that. Dili kay baka malipong.
Ayan sa to kay dili.
Look!
Tulo ka kilo, tulo ka box ka kilo pa rin.
Look!
Febrero pa may harvest ani namo.
Puro na bangus.
Bangus, bangkaon, pagbago,
Wa mao.
danggit,
Yan nakalaon na daghaner na sila.
napubudas.
Fishing. Ano? Feeding. Ayan, no, sis God.
Ayan, ayan. Ay, pugusan na ibaw ng
Gagmay pagtagbago oh.
may
Gibaling ning Junita.
oh, sige pa yan. Nailaw may dagko ng mga bulawis na. Dugay mo dagko ng tagbagol hay ang bulawis.
That's a fish. Dili.
Ah, grabe yung bangkaon no.
Ay, oh. Bangkaw na ka kana.
Pagbago, kanang nang tigbabaw. Tulong mga bangkaon na sila mo dagko ng Febrero lang na harvest pa. Kaya sa pispan dalhon na po na mo diha, pambuhian na mo na. Kaya garbisan ko ni nga, o pagbuhi diha wala mo maka-duty. Di ka biya, ano pa rin mga gamit tiri ko na. Ditihanan.
Wow.
One's had.
Di mo nalaon siguro no?
Dito sa doon.
Ah, okay. Yeah, it's good when not in the sun.
Dira pa yata.
Punya tawang ngambak, kung saan? Oh, dito. Ah, dito.
Pag ano, mangambak na mo kay hagawa arang uhan ng kami.
Apit na.
May mga
Kita raman.
Di, kanang mga ligo ay
volcano allowed to.
Oh, this one? Oh, see?
Could be.
Ingon hang bana mura kuno og kanang formation sa volcano long time ago.
Abot ka ta.
Mm. We are here. Be careful. Careful. Yes, we are here. Woo! Look the fish. Mo jump mo, mo jump. Shells. I see shells. Ano? Oh, what's this? Wow! Look! Wala, ganahan tubig. Tignaw? Ha? Dili tignaw! Woo! They're jumping. Laura. Ah.
Hi, hello.
Hello.
I'm in Pachikowitz. I'm swimming.
Swimming,
Because the
swimming.
water is very, very cold.
And crawling. Look, they are here.
Hello,
They're here. Manang! Laom din ha.
mabawi ba? Ay, laom.
You see?
Uy, dito. Bato.
Katol ang
Salamat.
salamat. Look, baby.
Oh, them are beautiful.
Wow. You see?
Yeah. Them are beautiful.
Yeah,
ones
colorful.
Right
It's colorful too.
there. Yeah.
See that? Chills. Chills.
Nice looking.
Nice looking. Look the color. See that? Yes. Woo! Salty. See, we are in Pachico Beach. Surigao Cortez, Surigao del Sur. One of wow, wonderful. Look, my sister over there.
I'm finding treasure.
She's hiding. Yay!
You gotta go over and get them.
Yeah.
Go over and get 'em.
Kain.
Wala pa pala, nasa nakatagi.
Aw.
Natamagi lawog ba? Natamagi dito sa.
So sa kuan na taagi.
Ano ang tugay ba?